Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. Today we will learn about walls creation and learn how to use the press pull command. Press pull command is quite similar to what we have done in extrude command. First we will access the lecture which was saved in the last session, which was lecture number 5. Now there are multiple ways to hide an object. We can select, go to isolate and isolate objects. This will isolate the selected object and everything else would be hidden. We can use end object isolation to get everything back. Another way is to select, go to isolate and hide objects. In this way, that specific object would be hidden and everything else can be seen. And again, we can add object isolation to get everything back. To learn press pull command, I will create some random shapes in 2D. So here we have some circles, we can do some rectangles, and then see how we can use the press pull command. Here we can see there is press pull command next to extrude. If we select extrude, the entire body would be extruded like this. But you will see the difference in press pull. We have to select entire body in extrude. But in press pull, we can find a space between two lines. Like we can extrude it in either directions. In this way, we can get a disc-like structure here. So this is the basic difference between extrude and press pull. Press pull can actually extrude a region. However, in extrude, the entire body from the boundary is extruded. Let's delete these files as they are unnecessary, and then we will move towards creation of walls. For easier access, let's hide the base so that we have the walls ready to press pull. We will use the press pull command. Once this region is highlighted, we will press 144, which is like 12 feet, and do this like. Another easier way is to simply press spacebar to activate the command which was done previously, and you can press the spacebar again to give the same value which was given previously, that is 144. So you don't have to write 144 again and again. Simply select the space and press spacebar again. We will continue doing the same process until all of the walls are created. When your cursor falls inside the space, it will get highlighted, and then you can click and give a relative value, or simply press spacebar if you have given the exact value in the last command. Now we can orbit and see that every wall is created, nothing is left. To make things easier, we will select all of the objects and we can change the layer. Now all of these are in the layer of walls, which are blue in color for distinguish. Let's do the same, make them the walls, and we can do one more thing, we can do a union of them as well, so that whenever we select one wall, the entire region is selected. For now, we will end object isolation. Now we have the base and we have the walls. So step by step, we will move further to complete our 3D house project. Now we can save the file as lecture number 6 because we are doing all of these changes in lecture number 5 file. Here you can see lecture number 6 file can be seen on the desktop. Let's call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.